Hey guys, AOS. Quick. My wife, it's our anniversary and she wanted me to shave my mustache. So I had to shave that glorious mustache for my wife. And I feel bad about it. It's not something I want to talk about. But anyway, if you guys like these videos, don't forget to like that smash button. Don't forget to bell that notification click. All right, in this video, real quick, I'm gonna show you how I use the new drum sequencer in Reason, and what I like to do. And this is just a workflow preference. I mean, you can do it however you want. I don't like using patterns in Reason, and there's a couple of reasons why I don't like just dropping a pattern. And I'll explain more when I get into the video, but one of the main reasons is you don't have flexibility with the MIDI information. You can't use the regroove section on Reason. Also, I'm not gonna edit it, I don't care. Also, the timing seems to be a little bit tiny off. Not the timing, but it'll play an extra measure or extra beat, or the first beat into the first measure, even though you're stopping it. So it's a little bit funky how that works out, but I like having full control. As you guys know, I like having full control of everything. So what I do is I printed out the pattern and I actually put it as a clip, different thing. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. It's a little bit confusing, but let's go into this little song I'm just messing with and we'll take it from there. All right, so what I want to talk about is this right here, this pattern right here. This pattern right here. That is triggering this drum sequencer right here. This is a new Reason drum sequencer, and you can connect this to an umph or a redrum, doesn't matter. But what I typically do is lay down a pattern. I'm not going to go over how to use the drum sequencer, but I'm going to show you. You can automate the pattern and then click whatever pattern you want. I don't like doing that because it plays an extra beat. Let's just go over what I have going on right now, and then you can see what I'm talking about.
Stay away from me, I can't see you for who you are. You like hiding in plain sight.
See, if you guys have noticed, it skipped on this bar right here, it skipped the first beat. So what I like to do is commit. I like to commit my MIDI information in there. So let me show you how to do that. So we're gonna right click and clear this automation. And we're gonna go ahead and select the first pattern, which is what you heard before. I'm gonna go ahead and send to track. Now when you're sending this to the track like that, what it's doing is it's gonna put it in between your two loop indicators, your left and your L and R. So here we go. Here is that drum pattern in real time as a MIDI clip. So now you have full use of this clip. Let's look at it. All right, one further thing I do is I highlight this, hit F8 to get your tool window, and down here, extract notes to lane. Let's explode it. When you explode it, you're putting every single individual note into its own lane. All right, I like to do that. So now every single drum sample is in its own lane. You can do whatever the heck you want with it. You can even label it. I think this one is the kick. So right click in there, add clip label, and we're gonna put kick. And I think this one's a snare. It is. Add clip label, snare. These are hats, I know. Just looking at it. Add labels to clips. I usually don't even label them because I already know what's going on. And these are open hats. Open hats. Now, You have them all printed out, and you can do whatever the heck you want with them. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. I'm gonna get back to my pre-recorded outro. Bye. All right, I hope you guys learned a little something, and if you guys have a different way of doing that, don't forget to leave a comment below. And that's it. I gotta go. I'm not gonna edit this. I'll talk to you later. Pieces, deuces, chakamaka looses.